Hey, welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. We got it going on today, and we did a lot of work yesterday. And sorry, no film on that. It was just too hardcore, and I had to get stuff done. But you know, this is where we're at on the truck. We got the third member in, looking good. It's filled full of oil. It hasn't leaked anything on the ground. The other one, when you put oil in the old one, the oil just kind of leaked out right away. You know, leaking. Fill it and drive it and leak, and fill it and drive it and leak. Well, now we're going to fill it and drive it, and it's not going to leak. Anyway, nice rusty leaf springs. Did a brake job a while back when I first got the truck on the road. New axle bearings in here. I'm waiting on these to come. I can't really see them, but they're the bolts that hold the rear axle in. There's 4 of them on each side, and they're pretty rusty, especially on the other side. So it's a little T-bolt. It comes back from the back side. Anyway, I'm waiting on those before I test it. I might as well. I mean, a few bucks, and safety is important. So, okay, so what we're doing today is, let's get your peepers in the shop here. I can't wait to drive this thing. Okay, so what we're doing today, the tail shaft seal is brand new, but it still leaks. And I've been through 2 seals. And what I figured out was, after careful measuring of the tail shaft yoke, this is worn. And it doesn't really look that bad, but transmission oil spills out of this. And you know, I'm kind of tired of it. So I bought this. I could buy a new yoke, but they're really expensive. And they're about 60 bucks. I should probably just buy a new yoke. But this was about 8 bucks. And this is a repair sleeve. And we're just going to clean this up really good. And I could take this apart and press it, but I think I'm just going to tap it in. They give you this little tapper, and it goes in there. And apparently that's all measured to be just right. But I don't really think I'm just going to start tapping it without doing some. I'm going to do some measurements, how far this really goes in. You know, I don't just want to tap it on because it's a one-shot deal. So we're going to really take some measurements, and then when we're satisfied, we'll put a little Sharpie mark and we'll put it on there, and we'll just gently tap it on. Now, yeah, I should probably use the press, but that would be like an hour to get this apart. And we're just gonna, you know, now and then using a hammer is actually okay, folks. Don't get me wrong. Oh, and here's my little holder for pressing forward wheel bearings on. Crude but effective. It did very well. That is the inner race of an old wheel bearing for that truck. And now we can put this with my pile of Ford goodies. So I'm ready for the next one. Okay, so next video will probably be me putting the T-bolts in when they come, or maybe installing this drive shaft. Okay, so have a great day, and remember, only channel worth watching.